Hello everyone, this is your friend Ashutosh Dwivedi and you are most welcome guys on my YouTube channel Ashu Official 2021. Be happy, be positive and be optimistic towards learning anything new in your life. So today's topic is hobbies. Today we are gonna talk about hobbies and I will ask few questions to myself and I will give an answer one by one. So be ready and keep watching video. So let's get started. So the first question is, do you have a hobby? Do you have a hobby? It means the question is all about I do have hobby or not. So yes, I do have hobby. I'm really interested in singing from my childhood and I'm really caring about singing, and whenever I'm getting leisure time I would like to invest the time in this hobby, singing. So now I'm gonna ask the second question to myself. The second question is, what equipment do you use for it? What equipment do you use for it? So I think you guys know very well, if you want to go forward with the singing, at that time it demands your vocal cord. If you do have, everyone's have their own, I think everyone's has their own vocal cord. So don't worry about it, just you can go forward with the singing, but there is a need of devotion and I think passion. So that is all about the equipment, but sometimes there is a need of music as well, instrumental as well, karaoke as well. At that time there is a need of equipments like harmonium, guitar, a lot more instruments are there. So this is all about the answer of second question. Now I'm moving towards the third question. Do you think hobbies should be shared with other people? Do you think hobbies should be shared with other people? Yes, I think so. It is really important if you want to make good friends. At that time, if you will share your hobbies, maybe another person will also approach you in the front of you about his hobbies, and after that you can find a common interest to talk about that. And after that they can also take an interest to listen you, to enjoy your hobbies. So I think so we can share our hobbies to friends, to other people. So the fourth question is, did you have a hobby as a child? Did you have a hobby as a child? Yes, I do have a hobby as a child. The reason, I told you in the first question as well, I'm really interested in singing and I'm following this passion from my childhood. I mean to say that when I was a child, at that time also I was passionate about singing. So this is all about the answer of my fourth question. Now I'm moving towards the fifth question. What hobbies are popular in your country? What hobbies are popular in your country? So the answer is, there are lot more hobbies, bunch of hobbies are there in my country. The singing, dancing, writing, poetry and talking with the friends and playing games, a lot more hobbies are there in my country. So the people, they would like to go forward with this kind of things and they are enjoying their life very well. So this is all about the answer of my fifth question. Now I'm moving towards the last question of this session. The last question is, why do you think people have hobbies? Why do you think people have hobbies? So actually, coming out from the boredom and just for the sake of enjoyment in our life, there is a need of, I think, hobbies, because we are busy in our professional life always. At that point of time, whenever we are getting leisure time, so the hobby can, I think, help you to come out from that boredom and you can feel energetic and you will get, I think, energy from inside, like to work over that. That is called the hobbies. So in my opinion, it is really important to have hobbies in people. So just, I think, try to develop a hobby and try to do something whenever you are getting leisure time. At that time you can learn something and you can become better with your hobbies, feel happy, feel energetic with new and different hobbies in your life. So this is all about the answers of this session. So keep enjoy watching videos, and in the last I would like to say to you guys, if you all like my content little bit, please do consider and subscribe my YouTube channel, so it will be really helpful for me and you guys as well. So thank you so much, and many thanks to you. Bye bye, take care.